What's up guys, C2113 here, and today we're going to be unboxing SUPCASE's Unicorn Beetle Pro for the Galaxy Note 9. So given that this is actually my first ever glass sandwich phone with a glass back, I know I can't rock it naked. The chance of it cracking is way too high. So this is one of the best, most rugged cases that I've seen that also isn't going to break the bank and is still going to let me access all my buttons and ports. So let's just take a look here. I picked this up on Amazon for about 20 bucks. Now, as I do have the Whitestone Dome glass screen protector on my phone, it'll be interesting to see how that's going to play with this case. Now, from what I'd seen from other reports online, even though this comes with a built-in screen protector on the front, it's easily removed, and then it just works fine if you just have your Whitestone Dome screen protector. So let's take a look. This is a fully encapsulating case. It's not waterproof or water resistant in any way, but it does cover both the front and the back, and it's going to give you a very good lay-on-the-table design to avoid any screen damage, which is always a concern, especially this being the only phone I've ever had that has a curved display. Go ahead and move this out of the way. It's very nicely packaged, as you can see, and it also comes with a holster. And the holster ratchets in either direction, so you can carry this however you like, vertical or horizontal. Now here's your case. If the Note 9 wasn't already rigid enough, you have extra rigidity added here. And then of course, you got your stand back here that allows the phone to stand in a horizontal or vertical position. That is very nice for both possibly video calls and just media consumption. Now we'll go ahead and see how well this plays with the phone. So at least with the bottom part of the case, we have no interruptions with the screen protector. Now let's see how this all plays. It's got this plastic screen protector that goes on top, and you know, I'm just going to try and remove this because I already know it's not going to be great to have a plastic screen protector on top of a glass screen protector. And it does seem like it's just glued in, so, well, that was easy. And then we'll just slowly pull it out here. Good to know it's easy to remove. If needed, you just go for it. Just comes out like that. And the adhesive actually seems pretty intact, so if you wanted to put this back, take it out to clean it or whatever, I mean, I did kink it up there, but I don't need it. So we'll go ahead and put this, we'll just slip this in now. And I think I'm actually doing this wrong. Hang on, guys. What you're supposed to do is put this on first. So we'll go ahead and put the frame onto the phone first, I believe. Here we go. Slip the frame on. And I don't see any compatibility issues with the screen protector that I can see anyway. It does seem to be sitting pretty flush. And then we drop the whole thing into the silicone and plastic base, and that is what slips in. There we go. We slip that over. Just kind of be gentle here. The rubber slips over like that. There we go. Make sure we line all this up. Now you can see here we have full S Pen access and port access. And we even have great fingerprint and camera access on the back as well for your blood pressure and blood oximeter and pulse sensor. So that's all I can say, guys. This case looks pretty good. The rubber around the edges seems like it'd be great for shock protection. You have a very good lip for a nice lay-on-the-table design. You're not going to have to worry about that screen if you drop it. So again, that's all I can say for this unboxing. Give me a few weeks, I'll give you my honest review. Telling you what I think right now is pretty much useless for you because you're going to see how is it going to last, how is it going to handle wear in the pocket, etc. So I'll tell you if I have any issues, and stay tuned. If you liked the video, be sure to give me a like. If you have any questions, comments, or if you've had this case and you want to let me know how you've enjoyed it, definitely leave that in the comments below, or if you had any issues. And definitely, if you want to see more, get subscribed.